Hi, and welcome back to our next video in our quadratic unit. This video is going to deal with complex or imaginary numbers, but before you begin, if you've not already done so, please pause the video at this point, read the two short paragraphs, and then write a brief summary, 3 sentences. Make sure you use proper grammar, punctuation, and spelling. When you're ready to start, restart the video, and away we go into complex numbers. All right, let's get started. The imaginary number you'll see written as I, and it's really defined as the number whose square is -1. So I squared equals -1, and I equals the square root of -1. We're going to begin looking at these because some of the quadratic functions that we'll be using will have some imaginary or complex number solutions. So first, let's look at the square root of -49. I need to break that down into its components or its pieces. So -49 is -1 times a 49. So I need to use and find the -1. The square root, according to my definition above, of -1 is I. So this is I, the square root of -1, and the square root of 49 is 7. So this would be written 7I. We always put the number or the real number component first. So the square root of -49 is 7I. We're going to pull out that -1. We're going to take the square root of that and write it as an I, and then we're going to take the square root of the remaining real number part, just like we've done in the past. Let's do one more together. Here I have the square root of -12. Once again, breaking it down into its components, and remember, I'm looking for perfect square factors. I'm going to have the square root of -1 times, and if I look at that 12, I know that that is 4 times 3, and 4 is a perfect number, perfectly squared number. How about that? So the square root of -1 is I. The square root of 4 is 2. Then I can't do anything with that square root of 3 at this point. So writing this